A key suspect in the 2017 Manchester Arena bombing has made his first court appearance in London. Hashim Abedi is the younger brother of suicide bomber Salman, who killed 22 people when he blew himself up during an Ariana Grande concert. Hashim Abedi was extradited from Libya on Wednesday and arrested for murder, amongst other charges. Authorities believe that he played a major role in planning the suicide attacks. German police have conducted raids on the homes of suspected Islamic extremists who they believe were planning an attack on the country. The raids started at 4 a.m. local time and centered on an apartment in the city of Düren. Police also investigated 2 other homes in Cologne after security services received credible tip-offs. Working-level nuclear talks between Washington and Pyongyang are likely to resume only after the U.S. and South Korea hold joint military drills next month. That's according to a former South Korean unification minister. And he spoke after Pyongyang warned earlier this week that it would decide whether to resume talks based on America's next move. U.S. officials have previously said talks would resume this month. Officials in Hawaii have vowed to proceed with the construction of a mega telescope on the island's tallest peak, despite protests against the $1.4 billion project. On Wednesday, hundreds of protesters, led by native Hawaiian elders, blocked an access road to Mauna Kea for a 3rd day to delay the start of construction for the project. They say it will disturb holy ground on the mountain, but astronomers insist that Mauna Kea summit is one of the world's best places for viewing the cosmos.